Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and if you are looking for a really unique set of candle holders, then you need to check these ones out.
I am always looking for fun little boho touches to add to my home decor, and these candle holders from Woho are to die for. I am in love with the amber color of them. They show different in the light, which is just so beautiful, and they hold candlesticks perfectly. You can use these, I would say, all year round, but they are definitely perfect for the fall season, and I just love the way that they look all mixed together, sprinkled about the house, or all in one spot. Even if you're not into candlesticks, you can even flip these over and use them for votives or tea lights. I just love that these are so versatile and they are a must have.
I love how unique these are, and I think they are the perfect thing to have as a centerpiece on your table or anywhere in your home as decor. They are absolutely perfect, and that's my point of view.